Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to tint the back window of this. I don't even know, this is Volkswagen Up or Fox, whatever, one of those. You need to rub it in so the film doesn't stick when you're gonna shrink to the shape. Remember, you need to shape from outside, apply it from inside. Alright, so it's about 115 by 45. 115, 5, but we're gonna do 50. Now, we need to wait for the back window to dry up. Still a little bit wet. Yeah, we need to use a heat gun. You can dry it up so it's quicker. So if you go with your hand, you can see how it makes these. So that means it's dry. Now we have this sponge wet, so we're gonna use it here. We'll tag it down in the middle. Grab the film, check with the teeth which side is the liner. So sticky glue inner, and there's the clear film. Now, I'm gonna put it on. Tag it down in place. Tag it down. Put around the wiper. Make a line. Put. Slice it. Push it under. Same with this side. Make it a little bit wet. Tag it down. Tag it down. Now we can cut off the extra film, but I don't think we need to because it's gonna be fine. So we're gonna start shrinking it. So we're gonna get the camera a little bit closer to show you how it wrinkles up and it tags down. So you can see I'm moving the heat gun just like that, shaking it, and I tag it down at the same time. Now I'm doing this faster. If you're doing it first time, you should take it slow. But for me, this is fairly easy. So as you can see, this corner we already tagged. Now with this one, we're gonna do the same. Top edge. See it. This film shrinks very well. So no issues there. Boom. There you go. Now we go on this side. Remember, the film doesn't shrink from side. So as you can see, I overheated a little bit edge, but it doesn't matter because this is lower than the dotted matrix where we have to put it off. So I'm gonna tag down. And even if you get these lines lifting, it doesn't matter because it's just I slightly overshrank the film. So let's go with the last corner. There you go, we shrank the film. Now we're gonna cut it to the shape, so I need the light from inside and I'm gonna cut it to the shape. I have no more help, that helps me to film. My meta glass is broke, so we need to cut it, as you can see, below dotted matrix. So slightly like right here, if you can see it, roughly here. So I'm gonna try to show as much as possible, but at the same time, I might not show the full process because I have to see it better and I need two hands. So yeah, you basically just cut it, oh my light, you cut it all around and then we're gonna put it on the board or we can work it from the glass itself. So I'm gonna show you those steps as well. Right, so we have cut it to shape. Now we're gonna remove this. We're gonna clean up a little bit the back window and we're gonna put it on the board right there. So we're putting this on the board. Now always clean the top of the board because when you're gonna spray the film, like on the film, when you're gonna peel off the liner, the stuff can fall into under the film. Alright guys, so now I have again a few hands to help me. So I'm gonna spray down. We're gonna spray for no static, so all around. We're gonna peel off the line. Grab in the middle, bend it together, if you can, bend it and walk backward. This position, try to align your hand like this, so you can press it down. Now, slowly push it down. You can let the bottom hang till you apply the top, or otherwise this top. Well, this is a bottom, but I'm calling it a top. Now position your film into right place. See if there's no wide gaps anywhere around. It's all good. And now we're gonna squeegee out the water. We're gonna start from the middle and squeegee out the water. Following the defroster lines. Now push it all up. No, don't be fast as me because you might crack the film, so just be careful. There you have it. Now we have to go over with this card all around the edges to squeegee out the rest of the water out. Just want to show you, if you have like these fingers coming out, try to squeegee them downwards, kind of like this, but as well, if it keeps lifting, just put some heat and squeegee down. As you can see, mostly they come out, but if you need to, you can put some heat on it. So we're gonna spray down. We're gonna clean it off, and look how everything looks. And from what I can already see, looks perfect. No bubbles whatsoever. Here you have it. Perfectly tinted windows. By the way, this is a certificate in Spain. You have to have it to pass the technical check. So I tinted the back, side window, and very back window.